Hi all, welcome to Aruru Naturals. Sandalwood powder, derived from the aromatic heartwood of the sandalwood tree, has been cherished for centuries in skincare rituals across cultures. Its soothing fragrance is just the beginning. This natural ingredient offers a wide range of benefits for healthy, glowing skin. Here are some popular and effective ways to use sandalwood powder for your skin. 1. Treats acne and pimples. Sandalwood has powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help combat acne-causing bacteria. When mixed with rose water or honey, it can reduce redness, swelling, and active breakouts while preventing future flare-ups. 2. Soothes sunburns and skin irritation. Thanks to its cooling and calming effects, sandalwood powder is excellent for sunburned or irritated skin. It helps reduce burning sensation, redness, and inflammation. 3. Brightens complexion. Regular use of sandalwood powder can improve skin tone and texture. It helps remove tan, fade dark spots, and give the skin a radiant glow. 4. Fights signs of aging. Sandalwood is rich in antioxidants, which help prevent wrinkles, fine lines, and skin sagging by neutralizing free radicals. It promotes cell regeneration, keeping the skin youthful and firm. 5. Exfoliates dead skin cells. As a gentle exfoliator, sandalwood powder helps remove dirt, dead skin, and impurities without being harsh on the skin. 6. Reduces scars and blemishes. With regular use, sandalwood powder helps fade scars, blemishes, and pigmentation left by acne or skin damage. If you liked this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.